Zion National Park, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Oh my god. Is this even a trail?
Alright, what are we about to do, Michael?
About to go down this narrow slot canyon up to the trailhead.
Cool.
Looks pretty cool. Looks like it gets kind of narrow. We're far away from everyone.
Cool.
Nice little shady area, so it's gonna be cool.
Sweet.
Very unexplored.
Very unexplored. You guys ready?
The
old dusty trail.
My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Joe. You coming, Joe?
Heart on fire.
Oh my gosh. We got a risky little adventurer here. Dude, what are you doing, man?
He's gonna go sit on the log.
Sounds like a terrible idea. I guess we did
Look
fall.
at its balance.
That's. I would not. Yeah, Michael, it's actually moving. It's terrible. It's a good way to get smashed.
Look at that thing rock.
Oh god.
Famous last words. How's the view up? Get out! This is so cool.
There's not room for you up here. I don't know where you're gonna go.
Awesome.
You're like a monk.
What's up, monkey boy?
Alright, I'm scared. I'm coming down. Where'd you put your hands?
There's not much space for your hands.
Yeah.
This is cool. I thought like the trail was
What's up, Pepe?
across his log, dude. Like jump to that one.
Yeah.
Alright, go for it. Rad man. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Just like camp right here. They warm. Whoa, that's cool.
Waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss can't stay.
Things a little different here.
Shout out to our sponsor, Northland Custom Ironworks. Go to their website, check it out, get 5% off your order. Huge sponsor of Kutthroat Outdoors, good friends. They'll take care of any welding needs you, fix your boat, your fence, really any metal work you need. So go check them out. Thanks.
Gosh, this is probably the coolest sponsorship commercial we've ever had. Little blooper reel.